Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta without butter. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need milk, all-purpose flour, and your favorite pasta. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a whisk ready. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This method is surprisingly simple and delivers a wonderfully creamy result every time, perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. To create our butter-free flavor base, start by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pan over medium heat. Once warm, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture, stirring constantly, for about 1 minute. This step is crucial for cooking out the raw flour taste and creating a smooth foundation for your sauce. It's a simple trick that makes all the difference. Now for the creamy texture. Gradually pour in 2 cups of cold milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking as you bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. It will thicken beautifully as it heats. Once it reaches your desired consistency, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for that classic white sauce flavor. Taste and adjust as needed. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your freshly cooked pasta directly into the warm white sauce. Toss everything gently until every strand of pasta is perfectly coated in that rich, creamy sauce. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or some grated Parmesan cheese if you like. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, butter-free white sauce pasta.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.